What's up? It's your boy. I'm back. So, been a minute. I've been busy with the other trucks and stuff, but remember I was talking before. I got to split the quarter panel in order to get this, because the quarter panel is way short. So this pillar piece over here, it was pulling back this direction. It was pulling back this direction. So I had to cut it and relax the whole pillar in order to get that gap lined up again. So that's the gap I'm looking for. Plus I gotta clean it up, put a nice thin skim of Bondo fiberglass short strand in there. So that's gonna be nice. So that's the next step. Now I gotta bring the quarter panel back, line it up, but I got a gap about, I think once I put it on, probably about a half an inch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strip a piece of metal and weld it down the back here, so it's gonna have an overlap like this. Once I butt up the quarter panel, it's gonna overlap on top of this. Then I'll make another strip to come down on the inside. So it's gonna be perfectly, it's gonna be strong. So yeah, that's the problem with them quarter panels and stuff in the aftermarket, man, because it's never the same, because the dies and the stuff that they use, man, is different. But she's getting there, man. I'm trying to get all the gaps really half decent. The older trucks, it never really was like really super perfect, but I'm gonna get them nice and straight. So yeah, that's it, man. Thanks for watching.